to Harris Deal Team 6 for posting this deal. This is a killer deal if it actually goes through. Let's see here. So we got DCK 0667XC. It's 60 volt max blower and chainsaw combo kit. So this is gonna be a crazy price, guys. It says lower price in cart. So we're gonna go ahead and add it to the cart. So that you're gonna get basically a flexible battery. You're gonna get a flexible chainsaw and a blower charger. So you're gonna get all that for. Let's see what we got in the cart. Decline coverage. View cart. $279, guys. So you do have to buy the shipping basically in a separate amount. But if you live nearby there, if you can pick up near, that's the best way to do it. But if you can't, then you're gonna have to ship it. Next day delivery, remove, whatever. So total here to be shipped to Arizona is $341. That's still a pretty dang good deal. Killer deal on this one. Also, let us know in the comment section, have you bought from Farm and Fleet before? I heard good things about it. But let us know in the comment section if you guys bought anything. Anyways, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. I'll leave you guys the affiliate link down below in the description section of this video at no extra cost to you. See you guys on the next one.